The Statue of Liberty, the Empire State Building. But before we start, I have to tell you about some very important safety precautions. But I don't want to talk about them, that's boring. I want to rap about them. Do you know what I'm saying, Jimmy?
Yeah, Jimmy, I think you're saying you want me to rap the race to New York safety precautions.
That's right, Roots, give me a beat!
If you're pregnant or your blood pressure's abnormal, I'm sorry, this simply isn't a suitable ride for you. Other people were unable to allow admission of those with various back, neck, or heart conditions. You better start to listen. It's risky business if you're prone to dizziness or any type of motion sickness. The videos, photos, recordings, going social is allowed. I hope I'm speaking loud and clear enough. You getting this? You definitely should sit this one out. I have to say to you, if you have recent surgery or a condition that's aggravatable by this race intervention, it's unsafe if you enter. Profaning is the simplest way to avoid being injured. If you're lucky enough to be allowed to take this ride, your arms, legs, heads, and hands must remain inside. Not to mention your feet. And keep your loose article safely stored beneath the seat. Information complete.
Oh! That is how you do it, Tariq and the Roots. That is how you do it right there.
Lord, if you have a souvenir cup, make sure you hold on to it during your ride. Thank you and hello.
Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. 1 2 1 2. Hello? Hello?